1. 1961 Ford Falcon. Price $28,500, located Allenport, Pennsylvania.
The 1961 Ford Falcon has been transformed into an impressive pro street machine built for serious performance while still retaining the unmistakable character of an early American compact classic. Finished in sleek black with a striking red interior, this custom build immediately commands attention wherever it appears. Showing only 24,000 miles, the car is powered by a freshly built 383 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a high-performance 4000 stall converter for explosive acceleration. A narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with aggressive 4.11 gears efficiently transfers power to massive Hoosier 33 by 21.5 by 15 rear radial tires mounted on classic torque thrust wheels with matching fronts. The upgraded Mustang 2 front suspension improves steering and handling, while four-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping performance. Additional chassis enhancements include frame connectors and a professionally installed 12-point roll cage, making the vehicle structurally prepared for high-horsepower applications. Less than 1,000 miles have been driven since the engine, tires, and braking system were installed, ensuring everything remains exceptionally fresh. This is an extremely powerful Pro Street Falcon designed for experienced enthusiasts seeking thrilling performance and unmistakable classic style. 2. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Roller. Price $20,000, located Moraine, Ohio. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Roller is an outstanding foundation for anyone planning a serious high-performance street or drag racing build. Finished with its original factory dashboard and glass windows, except for the side windows, this clean title Camaro has already received extensive chassis and suspension upgrades to support big block power. The vehicle is professionally configured for a turbo 400 automatic transmission and features a durable Moser 9-inch rear axle, heavy-duty ladder bars, adjustable coil-over suspension, and a completely upgraded fuel system. Stopping power comes from premium Wilwood performance brakes, while a modern Racepack digital dash provides accurate race-quality instrumentation. The lightweight fiberglass hood and deck lid help reduce weight without sacrificing the aggressive Pro Street appearance. Working exterior lights allow the car to maintain a functional setup, and it is currently offered as a turnkey roller before the drivetrain is removed after a deposit is received. For buyers wanting an even more competition-focused package, new billet beadlock wheels and matching tires are available. This Camaro provides an exceptional opportunity to complete a custom Pro Street machine exactly to your specifications. 3. 1990 Ford Mustang LX 5.0 Hatchback. Price $34,000, located Knoxville, Tennessee. The 1990 Ford Mustang LX 5.0 hatchback is an incredibly powerful Pro Street build that combines modern engineering with legendary Fox body styling. Finished in crisp white with a vibrant red interior, this professionally built Mustang has accumulated only 300 miles since completion. Although originally equipped with the iconic 5.0 engine, it now features a heavily modified 4th-generation LY6 6.0-liter V8 paired with a massive GT55 95mm turbocharger capable of producing well over 1,000 wheel horsepower on conservative boost. Power is transferred through a professionally prepared TH400 automatic transmission with trans brake, premium converter, and heavy-duty driveline components. Aerospace billet brakes, strange suspension and axles, chromoly driveshaft, performance intercooler, upgraded cooling system, and advanced Holley engine management ensure exceptional reliability under demanding conditions. Despite its incredible performance, the Mustang retains practical factory features including power windows, power mirrors, working heater controls, and a comfortable interior. Sitting on weld front wheels and Belloc beadlock rear wheels, this remarkable Fox body offers race-ready capability while preserving enough street manners to impress enthusiasts everywhere. 4. 1976 Chevrolet Vega Pro Street. Price $32,500, located Franklin, Virginia. The 1976 Chevrolet Vega Pro Street is a remarkable tribute to the legendary Bill Jenkins Grumpy's Toy Pro stock racers while remaining fully capable of enjoyable street driving. Finished in classic white with a silver interior, this professionally built clone features a square tube chassis, functional roll-up glass windows, working headlights, turn signals, and full street registration, making it an unusual combination of race performance and road legality. Power comes from a street-friendly 355 small-block Chevrolet engine equipped with a tunnel ram intake, dual Holley carburetors, solid lifter camshaft, and a durable 4-speed Lenco transmission connected to a Ford 9-inch rear axle. Included with the sale is a complete race engine featuring higher compression, upgraded cylinder heads, roller valve train, larger carburetors, additional rear gears, spare axles, extra racing wheels, and numerous competition components. The clean title, excellent condition, and extensive collection of performance equipment create tremendous value. Whether displayed at Nostalgia Pro stock events or enjoyed on weekend cruises, this Vega delivers authentic racing heritage with exceptional versatility.
5. 1965 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Pro Street. Price $32,500, located Farmingville, New York.
The 1965 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Pro Street is a compact American muscle car built to deliver serious drag strip performance while maintaining its unmistakable classic appearance. This professionally prepared Pro Street machine is powered by a dependable 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet V8 fitted with aluminum cylinder heads for improved airflow and stronger overall performance. A durable 2-speed power-glide automatic transmission with a trans brake provides lightning-fast launches, while the heavy-duty Ford 9-inch rear axle efficiently transfers power to the pavement. The rear of the car has been professionally mini-tubbed to accommodate wider performance tires, giving the Nova its aggressive stance and outstanding traction. Additional performance equipment includes a nitrous bottle complete with cooler and heater system, allowing the setup to remain race-ready whenever extra power is needed. According to the seller, this Chevy 2 starts easily and is prepared for immediate enjoyment with no additional work required. Designed for enthusiasts who appreciate classic styling combined with serious straight-line capability, this Nova offers dependable performance, proven components, and exciting Pro Street character in one impressive package.
6. 1937 Plymouth Pro Street. Price $50,000, located Henrico, Virginia.
The 1937 Plymouth Pro Street is an extraordinary custom-built hot rod that combines bold styling with impressive V8 performance and unmistakable road presence. Finished in vibrant orange with a black interior, this one-of-a-kind machine has traveled only 7,270 miles and remains a standout wherever it appears. Under the hood sits a powerful 440 Mopar crate engine paired with a durable 727 automatic transmission, delivering outstanding acceleration and dependable reliability.
The body features eye-catching house of color paint, although portions of the graphics and roof could benefit from cosmetic refinishing.
Premium upgrades include suicide doors with poppers, power windows, locking hood hardware, brand new racing seats, fresh door panels, a new headliner, updated fuel rails, and massive Mickey Thompson rear tires for maximum traction. The seller also includes headlights, taillights, and custom mirrors that can be installed to complete the build. With a clean title and no significant mechanical concerns reported, this remarkable Plymouth is ideal for collectors seeking an aggressive Pro Street classic built to impress both at shows and performance events.
7. 1964 Dodge Polara 500. Price $41,500, located Aliquippa, Pennsylvania. The 1964 Dodge Polara 500 is a professionally built Pro Street muscle car that blends classic Mopar styling with exceptional supercharged performance. Finished in elegant burgundy with a matching brown interior, this clean title classic has accumulated 80,000 miles, while its entire drivetrain has been completely rebuilt for dependable operation. Power comes from a legendary 440 cubic inch V8 fitted with a BDS 871 supercharger and dual Proform 850 carburetors, creating tremendous horsepower and unmistakable blower sound. Additional performance equipment includes 906 cylinder heads, crane valve train components, MSD ignition, Flowmaster exhaust, TorqueFlite 727 automatic transmission, Ford 9-inch rear axle, Strange 4.11 gears, Detroit locker differential, Mark Williams driveline components, Holley fuel system, Ron Francis wiring, and Willwood brakes. The professionally tubbed rear end and integrated roll cage complete the aggressive Pro Street appearance while improving structural strength. Carefully maintained in a smoke-free environment and fully paid off, this impressive Dodge delivers outstanding performance, timeless styling, and exceptional craftsmanship, making it an excellent addition for collectors or enthusiasts seeking an unforgettable Mopar street machine. 8. 1965 Chevrolet Malibu drag car. Price $21,500, located Smith Mill, Pennsylvania.
The 1965 Chevrolet Malibu drag car presents an outstanding opportunity for racers and pro street enthusiasts searching for a professionally built rolling chassis with exceptional potential. Finished in sleek black, this lightweight Malibu features a remarkably straight body with quality paint and numerous fiberglass components, including the front clip, doors, trunk lid, and bumpers. Previously certified for NHRA and IHRA competition, the chassis was capable of running impressive elapsed times and remains an outstanding foundation for future performance builds. Suspension upgrades include tubular A-arms, QA1 adjustable shocks, a professionally installed 4-link rear suspension, and a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with double beadlock wheels. Additional race-ready equipment includes dual high-capacity fuel pumps, complete MSD ignition wiring, aluminum radiator, parachute, driveshaft for a turbo 400 transmission, and provisions for nitrous oxide. The car reportedly achieved 8.05 seconds at 170 miles per hour with a 632 cubic inch engine while weighing approximately 2,900 pounds. Although sold without an engine, transmission, or title, this Malibu remains an exceptional platform for drag racing or pro street conversion.
9. 1951 Henry J. Pro Street. Price $25,000, located Greenwood, Delaware. The 1951 Henry J. Pro Street is a rare American hot rod that combines compact vintage styling with impressive big block Chevrolet performance. Finished in classic black inside and out, this unique custom has been driven approximately 1,000 miles and remains an eye-catching addition to any collection of performance-oriented classics. Power comes from a legendary Chevrolet 427 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, delivering outstanding acceleration along with the unmistakable sound that only a big block can produce. The seller describes the vehicle as available at the listed price or best offer, making it an attractive opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a distinctive pro street build. The Henry J has long been a favorite among drag racers because of its lightweight body and excellent performance potential, and this example continues that tradition with its aggressive stance and classic hot rod appearance. Whether displayed at local car shows, driven during weekend cruises, or further customized to suit individual preferences, this uncommon 1951 Henry J offers timeless styling, dependable V8 performance, and collectible appeal that is becoming increasingly difficult to find today. 10. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Pro Street. Price $21,000, located Spring Grove, Pennsylvania. The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Pro Street is a serious high-performance muscle car built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic styling with race-inspired engineering. Finished in striking blue with a black interior, this clean title Camaro has traveled only 19,000 miles and remains in excellent overall condition. Under the hood is a professionally built 1968 Chevrolet 427 big block V8 producing approximately 700 horsepower, paired with a Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission for an engaging driving experience. Power is delivered through a heavy-duty Dana 60 rear axle fitted with aggressive 5.13 gears, providing exceptional traction and acceleration. The chassis has been professionally tubbed and equipped with a full roll cage to handle the tremendous performance. Massive Mickey Thompson 33 by 19.50 rear tires mounted on brand new weld wheels give the car its unmistakable pro street appearance, while a new 6-inch fiberglass hood completes the aggressive exterior. Most of the remaining parts needed for final assembly are included and are brand new. Combining legendary big block power, race-ready hardware, and timeless Camaro styling, this Z28 is an exciting opportunity for collectors and performance enthusiasts alike. 11. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price $34,500, located Binghamton, New York. The 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle is a beautifully prepared race car that delivers outstanding performance while retaining the potential to become an exceptional street machine. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, this turnkey classic has accumulated 12,345 miles and is ready for immediate competition. Power comes from a professionally built 383-stroker V8 assembled by SNS Speed Shop and tuned to run on alcohol for maximum performance. The engine is paired with a built Powerglide automatic transmission featuring both a trans brake and line lock for consistent launches. A durable GM 12-bolt rear axle equipped with 4.56 gears, spool, and 33-spline strange axles efficiently transfers power to the track. Additional equipment includes a 7-gallon fuel cell and numerous professionally installed racing components. According to the seller,
Both the engine and transmission were rebuilt 4 years ago, and the car consistently runs impressive elapsed times in eighth-mile competition. Complete paperwork accompanies the vehicle, and the seller notes it can be converted back into a very attractive street car with minimal effort, making it a versatile investment.
12. 1967 Plymouth Cuda. Price $28,000, located Chesapeake, Virginia. The 1967 Plymouth Cuda is a well-preserved early Barracuda that offers classic Mopar styling combined with dependable V8 performance and tasteful mechanical upgrades.
Finished in eye-catching orange with a black interior, this excellent condition coupe has been driven 29,260 miles and has remained with only 2 owners. Under the hood is a rebuilt 360 cubic inch Chrysler V8 bored 30,000 SOVR and equipped with a performance 425 camshaft, delivering stronger acceleration and an unmistakable muscle car sound. Additional upgrades include hooker headers, Chrysler orange engine detailing, and a durable automatic transmission connected to responsive 3.73 rear gears for enjoyable street driving. The seller reports that the vehicle runs exceptionally well and has been carefully maintained throughout ownership. With a clean title, no significant damage, and no mechanical issues reported, this classic Cuda is ready to enjoy immediately. Its combination of attractive appearance, upgraded drivetrain, reliable performance, and growing collector appeal makes this 1967 Plymouth an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking an authentic vintage Mopar that stands out at cruises, shows, and weekend events.